What's up, everybody? Finna cast some jewelry, and let me see. This supposed to be like a wax. Let me see. I'm gonna see if it melt. I'm trying to melt the piece of it. Let's see if it'll melt. I guess it's kind of melting. It's flammable, for sure. Oh. Ah, it stinks. Welcome to Thrilllock Laboratory, where we try stuff. Oh yeah, it does. It just turns. So yeah, I'm gonna turn this chunk of metal, not metal, but precious metal, to some of my castings. Some of them didn't come out all the way good. I need to clean it up some more. But I just want to do this video. How long is it? It's a minute already. Cool. And y'all check out the album. Album is on the way. Got some new singles. So the website will be live, Thrilllock Music. Oh, I don't want to. I gotta be delicate, real delicate. Let me clean this mess up. I thought I was gonna keep the pieces and wax it to, maybe I can melt it to something else that need it. I don't know. Oh my goodness. Is my old cast right here. Some rings. And I didn't even do this in wax. I did it with just regular 3D print. So this will be fun. Stay tuned.